Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I wash and retwisted my hair, all while using natural oils and butters. We'll be using Sulfer 8 and Main Choice shampoo, as well as Shea moisture conditioner, black castor oil, and Jamaican mango and lime growth spray. My favorite oil and water mix, just maybe 5 essential oils in the water. A Shea butter. Now, I really wanted you all to pay attention to how actually thick it is. It's a pomade, but it's really juicy. And last but not least, rubber bands for the ends of my braids. You won't actually be needing the clips. Start by thoroughly wetting your locks all the way through. Now, apply a quarter size amount of the Sulfer 8 shampoo to the scalp. Next, add a dime size amount of the main tail shampoo just to get the suds going. I strongly encourage those who don't have long nails to go ahead and get a scalp scrubber for this next step. They only cost $1 to $2 at any beauty supply, and it really helps with removing all dandruff and dry scalp flakes. Now notice I'm also squeezing my locks together, allowing the suds that went through to actually remove the dirt within my locks. Finally, rinse and repeat. Alright, now that we're nice and clean, I'm just going to go ahead and add a dime size amount of conditioner and a full palm size amount of black castor oil. Throw on a shower cap and let the moisture soak in for about 20 to 30 minutes. I added a step into my wash regimen just because I noticed after washing my hair, it would be stripped of all its natural oils. This soak allows my locks to come out nice to the touch, soft and moisturized. After your final rinse, do not dry your hair all the way. Damp locks are the best locks for retwisting. Start by carefully misting the oil water spray into your locks. I love spraying the No Itch Grow Spray directly onto my scalp after a wash. It gives it a cooling relief. Once I massage my scalp, then oil my hair, I split my locks into 3 sections just to take all of the frustration out of handling all of them at once. Apply the shea butter that we'll be retwisting with to your roots and leave a little on the back of your hand so you can easily access more instead of reaching for the jar every single time. Select the first 3 locks that you want to twist and braid while leaving the rest up in your ponytails. Part, add butter, then start twisting in the natural directions your locks go. Mine are clockwise, so I'll be making sure that all of my locks are twisted clockwise on every strand. Now, instead of clips, which are known to break off your hair, simply wrap the shaft around the root, almost as if you're creating a bantu knot, and it'll hold the same. Do the same thing for the other 2, then simply plait the 3 locks together. I'm adding a band about an inch up from my actual ends. These braids are not for style, but just to hold my retwist down, and I don't want any stress on the tips of my locks. I repeat these steps until I get to the very front. Now, because I have 64 locks and we just did 20 sets of 3, I'll have 4 locks left. I remedied this simple issue by treating the last group as a feed-in braid. Starting with the normal twisting of all 4, I grab the first one and wrap it around the second one. Then I grab strand 3, making it a plait, then simply adding in the 4th lock and finishing the braid, styling it to look the same as the others. Add just a tiny bit more castor oil and brush down your edges before blow drying. Now, I know some people hate putting heat into their locks, but my loctician told me that letting them air dry can lead to mold, and I'm sure I hate mold a lot more than dryness, so we're blow drying this thing on out. Time for my handy dandy scarf, and we'll see the finished product tomorrow, you guys. I know it's gonna be beautiful, so stay tuned. Alright, time for the takedown. Add a little bit of butter. Pop your bands, then start to release your braids. just a tad bit more oil. And you're finally finished. Perfecto. Thanks so much everyone for watching. My Twitter and Instagram links are in the description. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.